update on the storm. It's Saturday morning. We didn't get much snow, about between 2 and 4 inches. I haven't been out there to actually measure. You can still see the grass, so we didn't get a whole lot. Might be a little icy on the roads. About 10 miles south of here got hammered at about 10 inches of snow plus in some areas, and it's drifting up really bad. Just a thin band, probably 20 miles wide or something like that. They have some of the highway closed, I heard, between Marinette and Green Bay. And this wasn't supposed to be the bad part of the storm. This was supposed to be just the real light snow, and then the real heavy stuff's supposed to hit tonight. I'm going to try doing like a time lapse, if I can figure it out with the GoPro action camera thing. I'm still trying to figure that thing out. It didn't come with any instructions, so it's harder to figure out exactly what it can do and what it can't do. Like I said, the audio on it was terrible. This is going to be, I'm going to try making one big video on this storm. That way it's not a bunch of little videos. I'll update you again once it starts snowing, maybe later tonight, see how heavy it comes down, get some video of it. Probably gonna get out, I don't know, tomorrow morning, clear some snow. I have to pick up Christy after the storm from work. She's staying at a friend's house tonight in Marinette, where she works. That way she don't have to drive back, because it's about 40 miles. And I gotta go pick her up Sunday night, so tomorrow night, about 10, with the truck, because her car doesn't do very good in the snow. Between the curvy roads. I mean, it's a Subaru, but it's got really bad tires on it, so we'll have to get some snow tires for her for next year. Probably some for the truck, too. But, yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Morning, everyone. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I've been up since about 5. Been a little too dark though. I gotta go out. I forgot to do this before it started snowing. We didn't get a whole lot yet, but I don't know if you can see it. You can kind of see it. It's coming down. If it keeps this up, we'll have quite a bit. Find the steps here. It always drifts up in the front yard here. I'm going out to, gotta move my mailbox back so they plow right up. When they plow, they come way out here and plow. Probably so they don't hit the mailbox, but I'm the only one here. So what I'm gonna do, since it's just temporarily fixed on there anyways, I'm just gonna give it a little push, slide it back. I might even, no, I'll leave it straight. Move the bricks up. Drop my phone. It's alright, it's waterproof. Slide the bricks up. push back one more time. There. Now it's further back. It'll plow a little better. It is pretty cold out. My hands are kind of cold. Slippery. Hey. Yeah. Everybody's still sleeping. So I can't film inside, but I don't want to wake everyone up talking. There you go. It's supposed to snow like this all day, so I'll keep you updated. Alright, that should be a little better. I don't know how much we got. It's drifted up in places. So it's like there is still grass, but then like where I'm standing right now, I mean it's 10 inches there. But it's all just drifted up. I've seen a couple people out on the road. We got more warnings and stuff for the area saying it's a bird up there in the tree. A snow emergency, and they don't want anybody on the roads and all that whatnot, but I think they got hit harder further south than we did. Bare concrete there, even down there towards the end of the driveway, so we don't have a whole much in the driveway. It'd be nice. Snowblower should be able to take care of it a little bit easier. I might not have to pick Christy up later. She thinks she doesn't want me driving with the kids and stuff, which makes sense. See how much we got in the garage. Oh yeah, we got 4 inches of snow in my garage. Like I was saying, she might be getting a ride home from a friend, which I'm kind of bummed out about. I want to drive around and see how much snow there was. I lost the little spring clippy thing I had that holds my phone on the tripod. I don't know, oops, wrong switch, where that went. So I can't use the tripod with my phone. GoPro's dead. Action camera thing. Keep calling it a GoPro even though it's not. It's not up here. Alright. Well, I'm outside now. I'm gonna do a little bit of, I'm gonna clear the vehicles off at least, in case I do have to go somewhere. I was getting bored sitting in the house. Not a whole bunch of snow. You can see where she, last time we got snow. I'll probably come back with the totals when this is all said and done. It's supposed to snow all the way up till midnight, or into Monday sometime, so might be a little bit yet. I'm not sure exactly when this is gonna be released, this video. Ooh. That window's loose. Don't lean on it. It's taking me, this might seem jumpy around you. It's hard to film over a whole weekend, make one video out of it and remember where you're at and stuff. I don't know how long it's going to be either. Hopefully it's shorter than like half an hour. But yeah, I'll come back with any updates. Alright. Hello. So I'm in the truck now, as you can tell. I am going to get Christy from work. She gets done at 10. It is 10 to 7 now. Wanted to drive into the deep snow while I can see, which makes sense. Drive home. I need one of those. It's a snowblower attachment for the front of a skid steer. Thing's throwing snow like 30 feet. I shouldn't video as I'm driving. We'll see how road conditions are. The roads on the way into town weren't that bad. There's some deep snow on my dad's road, but Got the truck, it's nothing that can't handle. Just go slow. Use 4-wheel drive. I'll keep you updated. Like I said, she gets in at 10. I'll let you know what time I get back to, well, get to Marinette. Try to get some good pictures and stuff if I have time. Snow here's only less than a foot deep, so. Be right back. So I'm driving along. I'm about 5 miles south of town, heading to 64, which I don't even know if it's open. I heard earlier that they had it closed, and I'm starting to smell fuel, and my check engine light, or my service engine soon light, just started flashing at me. It's back steady now, but I'm hoping it's just snow in the air filter or something, because I don't need this thing to break down on me. Yep, there it goes flashing again. Let's see. Not good. There was just a backfire. Well, hopefully it'll make it. There you go, get Christy. I'll keep you updated on that situation there. Well, made it to Walmart. Roads are icy and stuff, but they're not terrible. I think I just got some snow on the distributor, or not the distributor, the plug wires or something. That's why it was missing some. It still is when it's under load some. Check engine light's not flashing anymore. Went in to get some milk for my parents. It's 8 o'clock now. Got 2 hours till Christy gets off work. Picked up a hitchhiker on the way here. He was a character, to say the least. Dropped him off where he needed to go. His name's Scotty. Scotty, if you watch this. Good guy. So yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling here till I can pick Christy up, I guess. I'll see you later. Made it home safe. It's morning time now, as you can see. And snow removal begins. We didn't get... I mean, it's drifted in some places. I cleaned the car off yesterday before I left. It's covered again. See there, it's pretty deep. Right down there's kind of deep too. But then right there, you can still see the grass. Most of it's drifted. Plow didn't do too bad. So, we get the cars cleaned off and get the snow blowing. Alright. I've already got a video on that, so I'm not going to bore you with that. Alright. See you later. Well, got everything blowed that's going to get blowed, because the blower is done. I don't know if there's just something jammed up in it or not, but it started vibrating really bad, and now it dies anytime you try engaging the blades. Bogs it right out and kills it. So something's jammed up in there. Got as good as we're gonna get. Right down here, right to there was the deepest snow I hit. It was only even with the top of the blade here this time. Last deep snow, it was even with the top of the chute there. So, not as much snow. I didn't get the sidewalk done, and I'm not shoveling. I mean, that's almost 200 feet of sidewalk there. I'm going to find somebody to do that for me with a blower or something, because that's a lot of shoveling. And it's pretty deep up there too. It's good over a foot. So, that'll be the end of this video for Storm Myra or whatever it was. I don't know. The blizzard. Second highest snow totals ever for the Green Bay area. The first highest was all the way back in the 1800s, so pretty record storm, I guess. Wasn't too bad here. So, if you liked the video, I know this isn't the normal videos I put out, but like, comment, subscribe, comment some pictures of how much snow you got or whatever. If you can comment pictures, I don't know if YouTube allows that, but yeah. Check out some of the other videos. I'll put links at the end of this video. There will be a thing to comment or click on to subscribe, probably right down there somewhere. Might be over here. I don't know. Still learning on where they put it. But yeah, thanks for watching.